Hello, this is going to be the voiced portion for children's news. Welcome everyone to Buzz News. My name is Joshua. And my name is Cheyenne. This week, we're going back to school, everyone. So first, I want to introduce you guys to some of our new teachers. Hello, my name's Allie. Here's my name sign. I'm working with the 3-year-olds here at the school. Hello, my name is Brianne. Here's my name sign. And I'm a new teacher this year. Hello, my name is Janelle. Here's my name sign. And I'm the technology teacher, along with US history. Nothing too much new. Hello. My name is Emma. My name is M. You sign it twice. So, at this school, I teach reading, writing, English, and ASL. What other things? I think that's all. Awesome. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching. All right, let's talk about the playground. The new playground, excuse me. Hello, everyone. My name is Romeo, and I have something really special to show all of you. We have a new playground. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. As you can see, we have new turf on the ground, it's way better than last year's. So instead of me just talking about it, let me show you it. What do you think? Pretty nice. A nice fun area for people to play. Awesome. Thanks. Let's go on to weather. Hello. My name's Rachel. So we're going to talk about weather today. This week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday should be sunny with some slight clouds. The temperature should be around 80 degrees with a high of 83. The sun should be shining and the temperature should go down later in the day. Have a nice week. Let's go on to sports. Welcome. I'm here with sports. My name is Jake. What's happening this week with college sports? Utah State will be playing down south at 8 o'clock. The Utah Chiefs, one of my favorites, as you can see here, they will be going against, they will be playing at 8:30 as well. BYU, they'll be competing against Nebraska at their home turf. And that will be happening, don't miss it, at Saturday at 1:30. Back to you. All right, hey, so you guys, this week on Monday, we don't have school. That's because it's Labor Day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice week.